Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while I see this macrame trend going on. With all bohemian vibes, I was very fascinated with this art and thought of trying something easy and quick that anyone can do. So without wasting any time, let's see the materials. First, you will need a macrame cord. I bought this rope because I like the color of it, and in case in the future I want to dye it, I can dye it in a different color once I'm bored with off-white. I can easily do it. After that, you will need some handles. There are plenty of options available in the market. Next, you will need a measuring tape, a scissor, and a fabric glue. Fabric glue is optional. Starting off by cotton rope, I measure 60 inches a piece. So my bag was around 10 inches both in length and height. If you are looking for a bigger size, measure more. Once I had my first piece, I just kept cutting the same length until I had 32 pieces in total. And also I spray painted my handles in golden color. Then I started by folding the rope in half and made a large head knot around the handle, and I made 16 knots in total on one side. So either side it's 16 and 16. So this is how it will look once done. Now moving on to the next step. First, divide the rope into 4 strands each and start by making 2 square knots. Once we are done making 2 square knots on first row for the entire 16 strands, this is how it will look. Now moving further, divide the pieces again in 4s and starting from the middle again, make 2 square knots. Once I am done with this part, I repeated the same process on the second handle so that I have two halves of the bag to work with. So moving on to the next step, I placed both the parts sidewise so that they are lying flat at equal distance, and take those two strands from each side, tie them together with another two square knots. Once the side is secure, I moved on with the same square knot pattern from center to outwards. This is how the bag will look once completed. For securing the bottom, I made double knots as shown. You can trim the excess if you want to, but I like the open strands kind of vibe, so I decided to open the strands at the end by just combing them through. And here how it turned out. I hope you liked this video. If you decide to try and post this DIY, please tag me too. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. It means a lot and motivates me to make more such videos for you guys. I will see you next time. Bye.